It's no surprise this machine is known as a road printer. In terms of paving speed, it's almost like printing.
Go. There he goes. Oh. Just like that. Down to 2 inches.
Who would have thought they were made for this? Excavators need help to work in tough places. But this model has been designed to tackle even the toughest jobs. All thanks to its high-tech chassis and special boom. This is a walking excavator that can work even on a steep hillside. In China, they know how to organize processes. Look how they install this metal profile.